Wow, I'm so grateful for all the likes and comments and kind messages that all of you are sending me. This is what motivates me to keep going and keep creating content for you. In my last video, I talked about data and analytics journey and how we can address the potential challenges by leveraging the data. In this video, I will focus on how data can be translated into insights that are clear and meaningful to a non-quant with four types of data analytics, that is descriptive, diagnostic, predictive and prescriptive. Hi everyone, my name is Shweta Sethi and I'm a travel analytics consultant helping travel companies, OTA, hoteliers leverage the power of proprietary data and AI to exponentially scale up their businesses, save cost and improve performance. I also run a company called Analytics Booty Lab, a data analytics company providing travel technology analytics solution powered by artificial intelligence and data analytics. I've helped my clients and so can help you. Drop me a line sharing your business challenges and I will help you nail those challenges. Now, the travel industry is constantly evolving and so should you. However, last year due to global pandemic, the trends will shape up the industry differently. Today, technology is the backbone of travel industry. It allows travel businesses to offer innovative and personalized experience, and that is why you need to embrace the agile methods of both data visualization as well as data usage to extract hidden trends, valuable travel insights, where these quick insights and responses can make difference in increasing revenue through winning or losing your customers. Now, same way, data analytics cannot be considered as a one size fits all blanket strategy. Now, my main goal embracing travel data analytics here is to help companies eliminate the guesswork out of the decision making business process and make smarter decisions for better business outcome. As in today's digital data driven world, business decision can no longer be made through gut feeling or guesswork. So that's where let's take a look on different type of data analytics are and how it can help companies in addressing the different business question not on the basis of gut but with the data that they have, like what happened, where exactly is the problem, why it's happening, what's going to happen in future if the trend continues, and take the best optimal steps to prevent them. Now, each of this analytic type offers the different insights. Now, let's explore to understand what each type of analytics deliver and the value they bring into the business, highlighting where to focus. Now, starting with descriptive analytics, the simple way to define descriptive analytic is what has happened. It helps to gain insight from the volume of historical data which is collected over time, indicating that something is wrong or right without explaining why it happened. That's the reason I recommend not only to settle with descriptive analytics, rather combine it with advanced type of analytics as well. Now, in reference to travel data, it gives you the stats on total number of booking, how many average night is being sold, what's the ratio of booking versus cancellation, who are your customers, what did they bought, what all services are sold, who are your top 5 customers, etc. Now, going further with diagnostic analytics, which talks about why behind what happened. For deeper insights on your internal historical data, you can adopt diagnostic analytics. This represents the next step in spotting the trends, identifying pattern, anomalies, and correlation of the available data, finding the root cause of the problem, and more. Diagnostic analytics helps you get value out of your data by asking the right question and making the deep dives for the answer, such as stats on how often my customer are buying, what is the searches and booking by age, traveler type such as business travelers, leisure travelers, millennial or Gen X, why do they buy, finding the overperforming and the underperforming segments, then anomaly detection in the search and booking data, and like so on. The next one is predictive analytics, which tells you what is likely to happen. Analyzing the past data pattern and trends can accurately inform a business about what could happen in the future. Predictive analytics helps predict the likelihood of a future outcome using various data mining, statistical and mathematical machine learning algorithm. The hidden patterns can be unveiled and used to identify risk and opportunities for the future. It helps companies to become proactive, forward looking, anticipate outcomes and behavior based on their data, not on their hunch or assumption, which can help them with customized offering, increase their conversion rate, targeted marketing, and a lot more. Now, some of the insights that can be extracted out of predictive analytics are such as predicting the customer booking behavior and demand for product, which customer to target, predicting the best time to book a hotel or a flight, predicting the probability of travel booking getting cancelled. Now, next one is prescriptive analytics, which goes further and focus on what best action needs to be taken by the business to eliminate the future problem and maximize promising trends. Now, travel companies can use prescriptive analytics to recommend the right product and the services to the right customer at the right time, taking the proactive steps to prevent the booking from getting cancelled. Now, today's businesses now not only want some basic reports, but they are keen to understand how data can bring difference to their decision making by analyzing the above shared insightful intelligence through different type of analytics such as predicting emerging trends in advance, forecasting sales, uncover hidden businesses, opportunities which are not visible with the text data, then number of booking expected in near future for specific customer or agents, booking and cancellation expected in specific interval of time of the year as per their traveler type, and further categorizing as per star category, hotel type, stay duration, economy class, pax type, number of traveler, number of, and much more. So there are a lot more filters that can be applied to it. So a lot more can be done with all different type of analytics and artificial intelligence. So that's all for this video. Now, key learning out of today's video: it's a time for travel companies to take action with the right type of analytics for any level of business problem, responding in the moment, prioritizing for the future, and every kind of performance improvement in between. Do get in touch with me for more details on this. I hope this information helped you. Do click the like button if this video provided any value to you, and share it and spread a word with as many business group. And yes, before we go, please do subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Your subscription will help the channel grow and keep me motivated to keep on making more content for you. Thank you for your time and look forward to see you in my next video. Have a nice day. Thank you.